Wagwan. So in this video, I'm gonna cook rice and peas, and as usual, I am washing the peas and also searching the peas. It's actually red kidney beans, but it is called peas in Jamaica, red peas. So I'm searching for stone and other debris. So as usual, I do not soak my peas, neither do I use a, we call it, pressure cooker. I am adding pimento seeds, which is optional, piece of ginger, which is also optional, and garlic. So I'm gonna cook the rice and peas on a coal stove. So this is a native coconut tree. Native coconut is only found in Jamaica, and if you know anything about native, you will know that it is the best variety of coconut in Jamaica, and it is the most expensive. So luckily, I have a native coconut tree, and the coconut milk is different from the regular coconut as well. It is extremely white. Yeah. So now I am gonna sink the peas. That's the method that we use in Jamaica by adding cold water to the pot. Also added scallion, thyme, and add pepper. So some minutes after the peas cooked, and this is the way how I cook rice and peas, by the way. So now I'm gonna add the coconut milk and the salt, and I'm not using butter nor margarine nor any form of spices. So the rice was washed until the water runs clear, and then I put it in the sun covered and allow the rice to dry again. This is a very old-fashioned method. This is how my grandparents cook rice and peas. Okay, so at this time the camera was overheating, so it shut off, basically shut off right here. So the rice and peas is finished. Quite a few rice and peas recipe videos already uploaded to the channel in full details. Wow.